Hi, it's Tim. We just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper EFI 2 system for our customers' 1952 F1 truck two-wheel drive. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We started with a brand new dart block, 4-bolt main block, all forged steel internals. We have a double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rock arms fully adjusted and set. Engine block painted to black with the brass freeze plugs. Correct front sump oil pan for the 1952 F1 truck two-wheel drive. Oil pressure extensions on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. We have the Russell heavy duty fuel line with a gas filter, the loop clamps, distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil. We have the Y-end aluminum intake manifold, Holley Sniper EFI 2 system on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. We'll set up the menu screen on the Holley Sniper EFI. We'll dial in all the settings for the customer, be all set up, ready to go, plug and play. We have the Cobra air cleaner on there with the Cobra valve covers with the 427 badges, chrome breather. We always install the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's engine for his transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 427 Ford. Customer's flex plate is coming in on early next week. We'll be installing that. We have the Holley Sniper external fuel pressure regulator on the engine here. We'll set the fuel pressure at 58.5 psi. This is the fuel return right here, the hookup that goes back to the fuel tank. So that's the return line. We'll go right there. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed for any vacuum hookups. We have all the heavy duty Russell fuel lines on the engine, all the AN fittings on there. It's real nice red ignition wires, all the wire markers all set up. Chrome dipstick and tube. The beautiful polished Wraptor serpentine pulley kit. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. Belt tensions all set, ready to go. The self-tensioning belt tensioner, AC compressor. We have the thermostat housing on there, thermostats installed, coolant bypass hose, driver's side lower radiator hose, high flow aluminum water pump, 160 amp, 1-wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there. Every engine is live run and fully tested for over 45 minutes. You're going to see a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the ignition timing. Again, we dial in the Sniper EFI menu screen, get it absolutely perfect. All the settings, so it's plug and play for you. So this is the way you get it, complete turnkey, custom built engine, ready to go. 427 Ford, 540 horsepower engine with the Dart 4-bolt main block AFR heads. Thanks for watching.